Hello students, we have learned about rational numbers earlier. Today we are going to review rational numbers. So let us quickly review and solve the given questions. Sum number 1. Write 3 rational numbers equivalent to -4 upon 5. Students, before solving this sum, let us quickly review the meaning of rational number. A rational number is defined as a number that can be expressed in the form of A upon B, where A and B are integers and B is not equals to 0. For example, 4 upon 19 is a rational number. Here A is equals to 4 and B equals to 19 are both integers. So now let us solve sum number 1. Students, we know that in order to get the equivalent rational numbers to the given rational numbers, we have to multiply or divide the numerator and denominator of the given rational numbers by the same number but not by 0. Thus, if A upon B is a rational number, then A multiplied by T upon B multiplied by T is an equivalent rational number to A upon B, where T is not equals to 0. Similarly, if A upon B is a rational number, then A divided by T upon B divided by T is also an equivalent rational number to A upon B, where T is not equals to 0. So now let us solve sum number 1 and find 3 equivalent rational number to the given rational number. Thus, multiplying numerator -4 by 2 and denominator 5 by 2, we get -8 upon 10. Now, multiplying -4 by 3 and 5 by 3, we get -12 upon 15. Now, multiplying -4 by 4 and denominator 5 by 4, we get -16 upon 20. Thus, required equivalent rational numbers are -8 upon 10, -12 upon 15 and -16 upon 20. Now, question number 2. Write 5 rational numbers between -3 and -4. Students, we know that -3 and -4 are integers and there is no integer between -3 and -4. Students, we also know that all the integers are rational numbers and there is always a rational number between the two rational numbers. So, in order to find 5 rational numbers between the two given integers, we have to convert the two given integers into rational numbers with denominator 6. Students, we know that we obtained denominator 6 and not any other number as we want 5 rational numbers between -3 and -4. So now let us convert integer -3 into rational number and also integer -4 into rational number, thus converting -3 and -4 into rational number with denominator 6. We get -3 equals to -3 upon 1. Now multiplying denominator 1 by 6 and also numerator -3 by 6. As we want denominator 6, we get -18 upon 6. Now converting -4 into rational number, we get -4 upon 1. Now multiplying denominator 1 by 6 and also numerator -4 by 6, we get -24 upon 6. Students, now we got the rational numbers between -18 upon 6 and -24 upon 6. They are -19 upon 6, -20 upon 6, -21 upon 6, -22 upon 6, and -23 upon 6. Thus, 5 rational numbers between -3 and -4 would be -19 upon 6, -20 upon 6, -21 upon 6, -22 upon 6, and -23 upon 6. Now, question number 3. Write 3 rational numbers between 3 by 4 and 1 by 2. Students, we know that in order to get 3 rational numbers between 3 by 4 and 1 by 2, first of all, we have to find out the LCM of denominators 4 and 2 of the given rational numbers. The LCM of denominators 4 and 2 is 4. But rewriting the two given numbers with denominator 4 will not help us. That is, we will not get required 3 rational numbers. So, we have to rewrite the given rational number with a suitable multiple of LCM, say 16, in the denominator. Students, note that we not opted the next multiple of 4, which is 8, as again we will not get required 3 rational numbers. So, we opted the denominator 16. So, now let us rewrite the two given numbers with denominator 16. Thus, multiplying denominator 4 by 4 and also 3 by 4 as we want denominator 16. We get 12 upon 16. Similarly, multiplying denominator 2 by 8 and also numerator 1 by 8 as we want denominator 16. We get 8 upon 16. Students, now we got the rational numbers between 8 upon 16 and 12 upon 16. They are 9 upon 16, 10 upon 16 and 11 upon 16. Thus, 9 upon 16, 10 upon 16 and 11 upon 16 are three rational numbers between 3 upon 4 and 1 upon 2. Now, question number 4. Rewrite the following rational numbers in the simplest form. Students, we know that a rational number is said to be in standard form if its denominator is positive and the only common divisor of numerator and denominator is 1. Students, we also know that if a rational number is not in the standard form, then it can be reduced in standard form by finding out the SCF of numerator and denominator. Students, after finding out the SCF, we have to divide both the numerator and denominator of a rational number by their SCF by ignoring the negative sign if any. So, now let us solve the sums. Sum A, 7 upon 8. Students, 7 upon 8 is in the standard form. Thus, the simplest form of 7 upon 8 is 7 upon 8. Now, sum B, minus 18 upon 45. Students, minus 18 upon 45 is not in the standard form. So, let us find out the SCF of 18 and 45 by ignoring minus sign. Thus, SCF of numerator 18 and denominator 45 is 9. Thus, dividing numerator minus 18 by SCF 9 and also denominator 45 by SCF 9, we get minus 2 upon 5. Thus, simplest form of minus 18 upon 45 is minus 2 upon 5.